Okay, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how to hook up the air compressor and how to use it. Real easy. Take this end of the hose, come up to the coupling, pull the coupling sleeve back, put it in, push it forward, locks on, that's it. Okay, now we're going to hook up this brad nailer to the hose, but first we're going to load it up. So what you do is I turn it around. There's a button right here you're going to press. It's going to slide out like that. Take your nails, put it in, lock it up until it snaps. Okay, now I'm going to hook up the nail gun to the hose. So pull back the sleeve on the coupling like that. Push it forward. Push the sleeve back up. Nice and tight. A couple of nice features are the fact that you could hook up two hose lines. So you could have two guys working. That's a nice feature. Here's your pressure gauges. And I'm going to start it up now. It's going to make a lot of noise. And then we'll get to using the nailer. After about a minute or two, the compressor will stop and we're good to go. Now there's this gauge here. I'm going to turn this knob and the gauge is going to go up as we're turning, and I'm going to set it to about 80 psi. There we go. And just for a quick demonstration, I'm going to take the shim and I'm just going to nail it to a piece of wood right here. So take the gun, push it in, and there you go. So I'm done using the air compressor for the day now. I just got to do some final maintenance on it. And how we do that is, you see, this is how much pressure is in the tank. You see 90 pounds of pressure right there. I'm going to pull this pin out to reduce some of the pressure. We're going to take it down to about 60. And then condensation builds up in this tank, so we're just going to bleed the tank. So here we go. Okay, so now I'm down to 60 pounds of pressure. Spin it around here. And now there is, right over here, there's a little bleeder. So we're going to turn the bleeder, air is going to come out, force the condensation out. We're going to tip it back a little bit. So I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. You hear the air to start coming out now. You see all the condensation that comes out. You don't want the tank to rust and put the bleeder. Turn it clockwise. And get it back to the position it's supposed to be in. And that's it.